Hello friends, this is Lakshmi Mankala. Welcome to my channel. This is a Yoga Nidra guided meditation to relax completely your body and mind and release all the stress and anxiety from all the parts of your body and to fall asleep happily and peacefully. This will help you to release the stress and anxiety from the mind and body. So make yourselves comfortable. Sit on a relaxing chair or lie down on the bed comfortably. Before doing this, make sure that the lights are off and there is no disturbance from outside. Now make yourselves comfortable. Take 2 deep breaths in and out. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Wherever your mind goes, the energy flows to that part of the body. So completely focus your mind on each part of the body which I mention and try to relax that part of the body, releasing all the tightness and tension, and relax all the muscles in that part of the body. Take 2 deep breaths in and out. Now take your attention to the top of the head. Observe the sensations in the top of the head. How you are feeling there? Any heaviness, tingling, numbness? Just take your mind to the top of the head and observe the sensations there. Relaxing all the muscles in the top of the head. Now bring your attention to the right side of the head, observing the right ear, and relax all the muscles in the right side of the head. Continue slow deep breathing. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Bring your focus to the left side of the head, observing the left ear, and observe all the sensations in and around the ear, and slowly relax all the muscles in the left side of the head. Now move to the back of the head. Observe any heaviness, pain, numbness, whatever sensations. Observe the back of the head, and observe the sensation where the head is touching your pillow or the cushion. Focus on the sensations there. Completely take your mind to that part of the body and let the energy flow there. Slowly relaxing all the muscles in the back of the head. Now bring your focus to your forehead. Observe any heaviness or tension in the forehead. Soften the muscles and relax all the muscles in the forehead. Move down to the eyes, gently closed and completely relaxed. Slowly move towards the right cheek. Observe your right cheek with your mind and observe the left cheek. Now focus on the nose. And slowly move down to the lips. Keep a smile on the lips, which will relax your lips with a smile. Now move down to the chin, relaxing the muscles in the chin. All the muscles in the face and head are completely relaxing. Slow deep breathing. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Now bring your attention to your neck. Observe any tightness, tension, rigidity, ache, any kind of sensation in and around the neck. Slowly soften the muscles, focusing your mind, and slowly relax all the muscles, releasing the tension and tightness, and making them more and more relaxed. And relax all the muscles in the neck. Slow deep breathing. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Now bring your focus to your right shoulder. Observing the shoulder. Moving down towards the right elbow. Slowly take your focus down to the right wrist. Observing the palm and fingertips. Relax all the muscles in the right hand from shoulder down to the tip of the fingers. Now bring your attention to the left shoulder. Focus your mind on the left shoulder, moving down to the left elbow, slowly moving towards the left wrist, observing the palm and fingers. Relax all the muscles in the left hand from shoulder down to the tip of the fingers. Now bring your attention to the chest. Take your mind and observe any kind of sensation in the chest area, releasing the tightness of the muscles there, and relax all the muscles in the chest. Now move your attention to your abdomen, relaxing all the muscles in your abdomen, observing the sensations in the abdominal area. Now bring your focus to your upper back. Observe any tightness, rigidity, tension in the muscles of your upper back. Directing your breath to your upper back, soften the muscles and relax all the muscles in your upper back, sinking into the bed, completely relaxed. Now take your attention to your lower back. Observe any kind of pain or tightness in the lower back. Slowly soften the muscles, releasing the tightness and relaxing the muscles in your lower back. Slow deep breathing. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Bring your focus to your hips, observing the sensations in and around the hips, relaxing the muscles in the hips, moving down to the right thigh. Take your mind to the right thigh, observing the sensations as you take your mind, and slowly relaxing the muscles in the right thigh, moving down to the right knee, slowly taking your attention to the right leg and calf muscles. As you take your mind, the muscles in that area are relaxing, moving down to the right ankle, right foot and toes. Relax all the muscles in the right leg, from hips down to the tip of the toes. Bring your attention to the left thigh. Relaxing the muscles in the left thigh. Moving down to the left knee. Observing the sensations there. Slowly move your attention to the left leg and calf muscles. Relaxing the muscles there. Moving down to the left ankle. Observing the left foot and toes. Relax all the muscles in the left leg from hips down to the tip of the toes. Whole body is completely relaxing. Each and every part of your body is completely relaxing. Each and every muscle in your body is completely relaxing. All the stress, tension, tightness, rigidity from all the muscles is released, and you are feeling very relaxed. As the body is relaxing, your mind is slowly becoming quiet, calm and peaceful. All the stress and tensions are released from the body and mind. You are completely relaxed. You are feeling very light, calm, relaxed, happy and peaceful. Complete relaxation of body and mind. Relax, relax, relax.